Studying abroad can be tough, and sometimes finding help can be complicated. That's why at SINEWS, we make it easy for you. Before booking an appointment with a professional, the first thing you need to know is the difference between psychologist and psychiatrist. If you need medication or a prescription, then you should see a psychiatrist. If you are looking for one-to-one therapy, then a psychologist is the right choice for you. Once you have chosen the right professional, you can contact SINEWS to schedule an appointment with him or her. This is especially important if you have international insurance, as we work with all the providers you see on the screen. Your insurance will likely cover your session. We just need you to send us the guarantee of payment. If you are a student coming in as a private patient, meaning you don't have insurance, don't worry. We also have a solution for you. We offer a student discount. You only need to provide a document that proves you are currently enrolled in a study program. To book your appointment, whether through insurance or with a student discount, please contact us by email to info@sinews.es. Call the phone number on the screen, 91-700-1979, or send us a message via WhatsApp, +34 618 069174. We are here to help you with whatever you need.